Hi everyone, in this video, I am going to show you how to recover Facebook account suspended 180 days. So most of the cases you have received notification like this and and the reason why is that most of the cases you have violated Facebook policy or community guidelines and you wanted to receive this one. You want your account back. So after they have reviewed and then they have found out that your account does follow community standards. So how are you going to get back your Facebook account if it's suspended? So how are you going to recover? For this case, we have to use mobile phone, go to any web browser, and then type Facebook Help Center. And then click the very first link that you can see here. So once you tap this, click the first one here, Help Center, tap this one. And then they will let you read some instruction and information and reasons why it happened to your account, something like that. So basically, you can just simply go to the search icon right here and then kindly type Facebook disabled, tap this one. And then after that, they will show you some instructions again and information about this, articles about this. It can help you recover your account, but I highly suggest that you just have to simply scroll down and then look or tap this no right here. Tap this one. And after you tap no, then tap this. The solution doesn't work. Tap this one. And then here you can be very specific with your concern, like my account, my Facebook account was disabled. I haven't violated any community guidelines or any Facebook policy. And then you can also provide here your Facebook account, your email address where they can reach you. And then, yeah, that's it. You just have to ask them to help you recover your disabled account or suspended account. And then also include here your Facebook account and also your email address where they can reach you. After that, you can now click submit and wait for the customer service team to respond and help you with this matter. As you can see, your feedback is now delivered to them. The second method is you can go back to Google web browser and then type Facebook feedback and then click this Facebook feature right here. Tap this one. It will take you directly to this. Now, what you're going to do is you just have to provide their email address. Okay, provide first your email address. After you have provided your email address, then product or feature, so select here login. So since you can't log into your Facebook account and then feedback, you just have to, or you can copy and paste what you have entered earlier, or you can create another one here. But it's the same thing. You can say, hello, Facebook team. Please help me recover my disabled account or my account was suspended and I haven't violated any Facebook community guidelines or Facebook policy. And then you can also provide your Facebook account and email, tap send, wait for the customer service team to respond and help you and instruct you how to recover your account. The third thing is that you can go to feedback, Facebook feedback. So there are options, but you have to click your feedback about homepage. So for subject, my personal account was disabled. And then, of course, you need to provide your email here. What platform? So let's just say Android phone. Your feedback, you can copy and paste or create again a new one. Please help me recover my suspended or disabled account. I haven't violated any Facebook policy or community guidelines. I can provide you more information. This is my Facebook account. This is my email address. Please reach me. And I'm hoping for your positive response, something like that. And then after this, you can now click submit. And then again, you have to wait for their customer service team or agent to respond or email you and then instruct you what to do in order for you to recover your account. And then the very last thing here to recover your suspended or disabled account is to confirm your identity. So you can type identity confirmation Facebook and then click the second one here. Okay, you can see other options, but you have to scroll down and tap this confirm identity. And then all you have to do here is to provide your ID. So the ID should match the name of your Facebook. Okay, then after that, within that day or next day, they will recover your account. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.